Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I have with me the Viomi A9 handheld vacuum cleaner. I only reviewed Viomi robot vacuum cleaners earlier, so let's see how good this one is. This is the Viomi A9 handheld wireless vacuum cleaner. Opening up the box, we find a manual, a cleaning brush, an extension pipe designed by Viomi is marked on it, and the A stands for Aeolus in the A9 branding. Aeolus was the divine keeper of the winds. Crevice brush for hard to reach corners. Wall mount with the space for two attachments. 2-in-1 brush which acts as a nozzle and a brush. Motorized mini upholstery brush. Power adapter with a barrel port. Motorized floor brush. It has wheels for more support and the connector can rotate 90 degrees up and down and 180 degrees left and right. It has a soft brush within, which is good for hard floors. A line of LEDs can be found in the front, which helps light up your cleaning area. Here's the main unit of the Viomi A9. It's surprisingly not that heavy. Oh, there's no trigger here, but it uses a button on the back. This is not very ergonomic, and the on-off button seems to be part of the battery pack. We can see the power level of the battery on top when the unit is on, and the button on top is to toggle between power modes, which are Eco, Medium and Max. The battery is easy to remove, just hold down the push buttons on the side and out it slides. This is how the battery looks. The power button, battery indicator and the power mode button are all part of the battery. There's a charging port at the bottom. It's accessible even when installed in the vacuum, so that's a plus. Snap it back in and is ready to use. The battery can be charged without needing to be within the vacuum. We have these LEDs here which indicate if it's charging or not and the current battery level. The 2500 mAh battery takes around 3.5 hours to charge. The battery lasts around 60 minutes in Eco, 30 minutes in medium power and 10 minutes max in max mode power. Eco mode lasts for 60 minutes, which is supposed to be able to clean an area of 2150 square feet. Battery runtime depends on the mode it's set to, and if we keep switching between modes, the runtime will vary. This is the main body which houses the battery and would contain all the dust and dirt. The Viomi A9 has a 5-step air purification. The HEPA 12 system separates up to 99.9% of contaminants from the air. This is great to remove allergens and helpful for people who are asthmatic and allergic to pollen. It's not a full-fledged air purifier, but it does clean the air that goes through it. An extension tube is provided, but it is not extendable. It's always at a fixed length. One end can take attachments and they clip on like so. The other end attaches to the main body to extend the reach. You can also use the attachments without the need of the extension tube. Motorized brush. The motor within pulls the dust and dirt into the path of the suction. The brush provided is a soft brush which is great for most floors. The LEDs in front light up which helps with cleaning dark areas, especially under furniture. The brush is powered by the vacuum's battery and it gets its power using these two pins here. The wheels help balance the brush and the angular movement allows for Yoga Master cleaning moves like these. This is how we can turn the brush around using the main vacuum body. Next we have the motorized upholstery brush. It uses the same concept as the main brush and is powered too, but is in a smaller form factor. The brush can conform to what you're cleaning and this gives a good seal for better suction. It's great for beds, sofas, curtains and any upholstery. Crevice nozzle. The long nozzle allows reaching into narrow, hard to reach places, allowing for a good cleaning. It is also useful to get rid of those pesky spider webs. No need to scout for a ladder, the extension rod and this nozzle is enough. It can also be used for the windowsills, between sofas, car seats and more. The 2-in-1 brush. This one has two modes. Holding down the button on top, the brush moves down revealing a nozzle. The brush is good for cleaning delicate items like keyboards, blinds, car seats, couches and curtains. The vacuum is rated at 23,000 pascals with 120 AW suction power. Weight is 1.5 kg, which is surprising as it doesn't feel as heavy. The Viomi A9 has a bagless design and comes with a fixed dustbin that has 0.4 liters or 400 ml capacity, which should be enough for most homes. The smaller size does make it more sleeker. It manages to pick up all sorts of debris, big, small, all works well. If the motorized brush has hair or thread wound up on it, you can use the cleaning tool to cut and remove them. One side has a blade which would help. The entire brush can be removed from the enclosure by unlocking it using a coin. And once cleaned, can be placed back into the motorized enclosure. The same is present on the motorized upholstery brush too. Emptying is easy. Tap on the button here and it opens up, emptying the contents below. Make sure it's above a dustbin before you hit the button. The entire bottom half also comes off, which provides access to the filter and clean any debris which might be stuck in there. The filter can be twisted off to remove and clean. There is a sponge filter within, and this needs to be cleaned occasionally, as if it gets clogged, the suction power of the vacuum lowers. So regular maintenance is required and is true for any vacuum. The filters and the bin can be washed, but make sure it's completely dry before installing it back to the vacuum. Noise is 83 dB in max mode, but in eco mode it's 71 dB. I generally use it in eco mode and ramp it up only when there is stubborn dirt. This is the provided wall mount. The vacuum would sit on top of it like this, and below we have slots for 2 attachments. The vacuum can also be stored in a standing position. What I didn't like about the vacuum is this button being behind here. I would have liked a trigger instead. Not sure why they did this, and if you have something else in your hand, it's tough to activate. But you have to agree, the Viomi A9 does have a premium look. The colors, the finish is smooth and refined. Dustbin size is only 0.4 liters or 400 ml, which should be enough for most homes. The Dyson V8 Absolute has a 500 ml dustbin for comparison. Battery life in eco mode is around 60 minutes, which is good, and the speedy 3.5 hour charge time is great too. It would have been great if Viomi had included a spare battery, but it should be available separately. I had reviewed a number of Viomi robot vacuum cleaners earlier, but the Viomi A9 handheld vacuum allows you to reach places that the robot vacuum cannot, especially furniture, windows and other hard to reach areas. The number of attachments provided are standard. I would have liked a few more, like how the Dyson does, but something to note is that this one costs half as much. So what do you guys think about the Viomi A9? Is it worth it? Comment below. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.